You're watching JCSU Bowling Media Day.
My name is Roxanne. I'm a sophomore and I'm from Missouri.
And how long have you been bowling, Roxanne?
This will be my first year bowling.
What made you want to join the bowling team?
I always thought it was a cool sport and it's just like a good way to like meet new people and make connections.
Okay. And do you have any goals as far as this season with this being your first time?
Just to get better and to win games.
Hi, my name is Shaquilla Pickens, and I am a sophomore, and I am from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
All right. Okay. And what made you decide to join the bowling team?
I always had a passion for bowling. It's a very exercise, recreational. And once I found out that the school had a bowling team, I was like, I'm definitely going to jump on it. And I needed to build some camaraderie with some, people on campus. So I thought it would be the best idea to do, best thing to do.
And what kind of bowler would you say you are?
I'm a bowler that's in it to win it. I'm definitely going for the strike and not the spear.
My name is Michaela Bowman. I am from Greenville, South Carolina, and I am a sophomore.
So tell me, how long have you been bowling?
This is my first year.
Your first year. So being your first year, what made you want to try this out?
The golf coach actually talked me into it. He said they needed more people and I needed something to do more free time.
Okay, cool. But other than that, you don't have outside experience or personal experience?
My great-grandpa was a really good bowler. He was in a league. My stepdad used to bowl, and my dad and my stepmom used to be in a league.
Okay. So what is your biggest goal, I guess, being on the team this year?
I guess just bringing my energy. I'm really loud, very helpful, very cheerful. So bringing my energy.
Hey, I'm Lillian. I'm class of 26 and I'm from Gastonia, North Carolina.
Okay, how does it feel to be back on the bowling team this year?
It feels good. We have a lot of new faces. I'm excited about this season starting. I feel like it's going to be a good season.
How does this season already feel different from last?
It's a lot of new people, so it's very new to see new people and try a new thing out. And I was in their place last season, so it's good to see that again.
So you feel like you might be a veteran now and you can teach a little something?
Yes, big vet, not the little.
Okay, cool. And then tell me, last question, what you love the most about bowling?
I love the friendships that you make while on the bowling team, and with the other teams. Yes, we're competing against each other, but at the end of the day, it's always good sportsmanship, and we're always there for each other.
And what can people expect to see if they come see y'all play this year?
They're gonna see a lot of foolishness, because we like to joke.
Hi, my name is Amanja Jones. I am from Buffalo, New York, and my classification is a senior.
All right, so being a senior, what do you hope to impart on the team?
This year, I really hope to really build a team as in just a bond, because besides just playing as players, if you don't have a team bond and somebody needs uplifting or somebody else needs this, if the bond is not there, nothing's going to really work with the team. So I really hope to really push on the bond with all the new players that we have this year.
All right, what do you love the most about bowling?
I love the friendships that it brings, since even though most of the team graduated last year, I really think bowling really brings us together with the friendship. Outside of bowling, when we're at the hotel or say we're at practice, really the friendships that we create outside of bowling is what's my favorite.
And for somebody who may have never seen you guys bowl and they come the first time, what can they expect to see?
They can, besides us striking and making all our spares, they can really see us having fun. It's not really a serious situation all the time. It's usually we're laughing or we're having a good time besides the bowling, which really brings us together. But the fun is really what highlights all of us.
Okay, perfect.